Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening or cloning the repository inside Visual Studio 2022 so you can work immediately. Use File Open Local Repository or choose Clone and paste the repo URL. This creates the local workspace. Make sure you signed in to GitHub or Azure DevOps in Team Explorer to avoid authentication prompts. Once done, confirm the Solution Explorer shows the project and the Git changes window is visible. This sets up commit staging and branch controls so you can move to actual changes. You will create or switch to a feature branch from the Git repository or branch picker so your work stays isolated. Make edits in the editor, then stage files or individual hunks in Git changes. Write a concise commit message explaining the why and what. Before pushing, fetch and pull the remote to integrate teammates' work and resolve any merge conflicts using Visual Studio's diff/merge editor. Once resolved, commit the merge and rerun tests. This prevents broken builds and keeps history clean. You should push your local branch to the remote and then create a pull request directly from Visual Studio or the web portal so reviewers can validate changes. Use PR checks and address reviewer comments. Make additional commits to the same branch so the PR updates automatically. If something goes wrong, failed push, corrupt index, or strange conflicts, fetch and inspect logs, if needed. Perform a hard reset to a known good commit or create a fresh clone to recover. This ensures a clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.